couple days, yeah, outside.
Thank you, baby. No, I stopped worrying. When my ladies get you a man that listens.
No, so I don't want to.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, this day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this job.
We experience both its highs and lows. As Christians, we are not immune to the hardships of life. And in fact, many would argue that we face more hardships than non-Christians. After all, the Bible does say in Psalm 34, verse 19, many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him out of them all.
There comes before the Lamb of God. You're worthy of it. You are my champion. Every battle you won. I am who you say I am. Hey guys, hey. Hubby just called and said to get ready. He's on his way, but I've been ready, sir. I've been ready. I'm so excited. I still do not know what he has planned. I still do not know what it is that we are doing. Sorry guys, I had to fix the way how my camera is set. I still don't know what we're doing. So I'm looking forward to surprises. Because it sounded like it's surprises, not a surprise. Yeah. So guys, how do you like my hair? This morning, this part tried to lift on me. I tied it down, head wrapped it, everything, and it tried to lift on me. But I was like, you don't know who I am? I can fix you. I can fix the problem. So I fixed the problem. It's hot. It's boiling hot. So all the bags are packed in the car. You would think that we're going somewhere for like a week, 2 weeks, a month. But I wait. Guys, who's that? So I can't ask no more questions?
We're outside.
Yeah,
the next couple days, yeah, outside.
Outside.
Sorry. All of the rest of the where,
Questions
the why,
and the why, when,
yeah.
where, how. I'm going to ask them. We just enjoy outside.
Yes, enjoy outside. Yeah, your camera.
Is it tonight is the all white or tonight is just something nice?
Yes.
No, but you said last night that
you have everything though.
yes, we have everything.
So concern, you know, concern yourself.
Oh my God.
But when is what, when, where, how.
No, because you were saying last night
man,
that
but you're looking fabulous. You're outside. Don't worry about all of the things.
okay.
Enjoy the scene.
Alright.
That's all you need to concern yourself.
Okay, sir.
When, what, how, who. That's not your job.
Alright.
Your job is to look for the next minute.
Look for the next Guinness man.
Very true.
I love that. All pressure come off of me. I love that for me. Love that.
The day I try to take it up on me, I tell you put it down.
Yeah?
The day I try to take it up on me, I tell you put it down.
Because your wife doesn't know how to make her brain stop thinking. I'll learn it. Guys, when you see me in my Jamaican bathing suit, we went here in Ochi town to get it. That's where we got it. What's this? Why don't you ask the name? So we've arrived to our destination. I'm here something about kayaking, and I'm seeing beach. I don't know what that means. We know what that means, right? We know what that means. So here my husband's going to say, just like what you did to me, stay in the car, I soon come back. And don't follow me. Because that's exactly what I told him. I said, do not follow me. What is this man up to? And all our my bathing suits are in the car, in the back of the car. So let's go look for that. The towel, I washed the towels and I did not get a chance to get the towels dry. Are we ready?
Sure that you want? That your best of your best?
Yes, it's the best of my best.
That's all.
But I like how you're favorite. But I like what you're doing to me right now.
Make sure you're eating the best of your best. I'm saying the best of your best. That's all.
But feel like we know what we're doing.
What we are doing?
Are we going on a boat? Are we going on a boat party or something like that?
Yeah, see, still a worry.
I'm not worrying.
Still a question things.
So guys, he's saying that I should dress up. Well, I'm gonna put it in words. He's asking me if I want to put on my jewelry. So I am thinking to go get my little bangle M. My bathing suit have some, you hear them? I don't want to give them too much because I don't want YouTube to, you know. So should I go with a necklace? I'm wondering if I should go with a necklace or should I just leave it? I think I'm just gonna do the bangles and do my gold slippers. Yeah, I just feel like we're going on a boat. Because why do you want me to look so pretty? I just feel like we're going on a boat. Bear in mind, we don't really do parties, or we don't do parties. We don't go to parties. Children of the Most High God. But you know, Oprah, Nora. Anyways, sitting here waiting on the husband, and I got him pink shorts. It's very pinky, but you know, we're there. I did not know we would be doing this. If I knew we'd be doing something close to this, then I would have decked him out. I would have made sure he has a pink outfit back there, but I have a pink outfit that's supposed to go with his pink outfit. He has a pink sleeveless outfit around there, so we'll talk about it when he comes back. Sir, what are you trying to do? Draw the whole entire bank?
I want to tell you.
We're going to kayak? So excited.
make it so right. It's been so hard, but don't worry, we're fine. Love is so good.
Best surprise. Best 10 out of 10. If we were having a competition, you would have won.
I'll take care of the rest. I'll give you all my love. When the world gets too heavy, let me take off the pressure. What good am I if I can't love you? Through all your worries, know you got me. Be there through the heartache. Turn off the lights, let me ease your mind. I am stuck on you, cause your love is so good, I can share it all. Take care of you, I know your heart. Lay your kiss right down on my pillow. Your kiss on my pillow. Leave all your worries right at the door. Leave all your worries at the door. I swear to you, I won't ask you.
Let's go look outside.
You can walk right into the water. So you can still up North Beach.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, it was a good sleep. Oh my gosh. Babe, can I get the tail comb, please? Huh? Can I get the tail comb, please? Oh, use it and let me get it, please. Thank you. It's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday. 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 Guys, did you see that earthquake this morning? Everybody had to talk about it, you know. Everybody and their mother had to talk about it. So I used this for my base of my moisturizing. And then I'm gonna go in with this. And then I'm gonna go in with this. Kind of just feels like any regular day. I mean, it's any regular day, but it doesn't even feel like my birthday. Well, from 12 o'clock last night, my husband must have tossed and looked at the time, and he was in our sleep. He's like, happy birthday, babe, happy birthday. And bro, I was sleeping. Why are you talking to me right now? Because when we came in, we watched a little play, and then he fell asleep. And then, of course, if he falls asleep, I'm gonna fall asleep. So, yeah, we weren't up long. I absolutely love this hair. Oh my gosh.
straight down. Yeah.
I wonder if breakfast is done already.
Mm-hmm. So I go find out now. Morning. Breakfast done already?
We finish at 10.
Okay. Morning. Hi, morning, morning. Hi. Hmm?
Oh no, the sun is coming
The sun is sunny, eh?
out.
Mm-hmm.
As in,
Mm-hmm. You bless it?
I'm not even ready to put it on mute yet.
Hmm?
It's actually really beautiful. The water look really nice for going right now too. Where are we going to be eating a bigger breakfast? More of them look a dainty plate here. So when we have like stuff like this, even though my pancake them would be bigger. You want to call that after Ochi? Hi.
Hi, you get tea or juice?
Hmm?
Tea or juice?
Juice?
Tea and
Orange
tea.
juice.
Coffee is right there, tea as well,
Oh, so
and
we
then cornflakes.
so we'll go and make it? Okay, no problem.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
That is a nice too.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful.
I must say I've been wanting to come here. You can come. Yes, please. Orange juice?
What kind of juice?
What kind of juice? It's fine.
It's really beautiful.
So as you guys can see, it is the most beautiful setting. The most beautiful. Like right now the sun is very, very ripe. Very, very ripe. But it's just so peaceful. It's just so beautiful. It's just so... There's words that I can't even find to express how beautiful God's work is, and that the mere fact that mankind can make something to come on the water so you can just sit down and you can look out. Mind blowing. Absolutely mind blowing. Like the sun is hot. The sun is hot, but we're enjoying every ounce of it. Every ounce of it. Because after this weekend, back to work, back to grinding, back to making what was spent and more. But you can never take back this moment. So I'm really, 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 really appreciative of this moment. It's really beautiful. Like I don't even want to leave. I don't even want to leave. But we're gonna enjoy it, and then we have our activities that Hobby has planned later. We'll probably go back inside and get some AC and freshen up and then get ready for our activities. It's not something I worry, but me not like when no, I stopped worrying. But night is coming, and
Could have been 1 o'clock in the morning. Don't make nothing bad on my brain, baby. You have to be selective with what you make bad of your brain. You can't take up every little thing, man. Choose your battles in life.
yeah.
Some battles you just go with the flow. You have some way you fight against, but some of them you just need.
Hey guys, so we are getting ready to leave. Check out, it's 12 o'clock and it's just about 12 o'clock, I'm sure. Yeah, when we're going places, we're going to carry everything. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Ooh. That's the fit for the day, and hubby's matching me.
Yeah, man.
So we're here getting some they call this engine oil in the car. But listen to me. I don't know how the girlies do it. I don't know how the girlies with the long wigs, and right now this is just on here and it is driving me. It is driving me, okay? I am so totally I'm so excited. We are going rafting, bamboo rafting to be exact. That's what I asked for. Because I was as I said, I'm very specific with what I wanted for my birthday, and things that I've been wanting to do. I love experiences, I love adventures. I wanted to do rafting, the bamboo rafting, and I think I had something else in mind, but I don't know what the other something else was. Oh, the kayaking, clearboat kayaking. I wanted to do that, but I haven't had a desire to do that in so long. So the mere fact that he remembered that I wanted to do that, chef's kiss. Listen, ladies, get you a man that listens to your wants and needs. So when like birthdays, anniversaries, and days that are not even special, your man will cater to your needs, and make sure you cater to the man needs. Right. Cater to the man needs too. Okay. I would say something, but we're on YouTube, so I won't say nothing. But guys, let's go rafting! Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Listen, can I take one there now?
You want to drive? You want to drive?
I'm not going for it. Let's go around this way.
You take one. Yeah? You see it? You see it? Yeah, man, you know one.
Yes, that was an experience to remember. Listen, the jet ski is not for the faint of heart because. Whew. But listen, if my husband wanted more children, if I could manage having more children, I'll give my husband more children because this man, the experiences that he's giving me this weekend, they are top tier. Like, I can't. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for the experience. It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful afternoon, and it's not finished. We are now going somewhere else, and that is for 3 p.m. So, whew, I'm so excited.
Did you carry the drone straight? Didn't need it straight. I want to carry align. This was align, so wait for the camera. Hey, how are you? No, so I don't want to
I can't see anything. I can't. I honestly can't. If I push it up on my face, I can, but I can't see nothing right now.
Actually, look na camera.
My eyes are closed. I promise, I'm not lying. Where are we going that it has to be a surprise though? And then of course I don't know anywhere here to know where we're going.
Hello. Yeah, don't stay at the place.
I'm being kidnapped.